Now let's talk about the reproductive system for a female pig, the internal structures that we'll see. I'm going to zoom in here, again into the posterior region, this time into the abdominal cavity so that you can see some of the structures here. I'm going to use my probe to point them out. So our female pig here has 2 ovaries. There's one right here that my probe is touching, and there's another right here that my probe is touching. Actually, to be honest with you, the first female pig I dissected actually did not have any ovaries or fallopian tubes, and so I suspect it might be a pig that was born intersex, that had both male and female organs, which happens. Also happens in the human population. About 1 to 2% of the human population is born with organs of both male and females. But this one has female organs. So again, we've got the ovaries here and here. What you can see descending from each ovary, this white line, that is a fallopian tube. This white line right here, that's a fallopian tube as well. So the fallopian tubes go away from the ovaries, and they help to carry the egg. Once the ovaries release the egg, they carry the egg to the uterus. The uterus is a little harder to see. I'm going to point in this general direction where it is. Essentially, the uterus is where the right fallopian tube and the left fallopian tube meet. So right where my pointer is touching, that would be the horn of the uterus. And again, both fallopian tubes connect to it. I'm not going to cut through this pig further, but the uterus then would lead to the vagina, which would lead out to the urogenital opening. But to see the vagina, we'd actually have to cut through a lot of this, and I just didn't have the time or inclination to do it. So again, what I would like you to know are the ovaries, fallopian tube, and uterus.